So I use this Cotopaxi backpack. It's the Alla 35. I've used it for a while now. It has this great top pocket here with this zipper part that allows you to store a lot of gear in it. Once you open it, it's basically like having a rolling suitcase where you would put all your clothes. So you unzip it and it has lots of space. As you can see, it gets bigger as you open it up. This component has straps in the back for shoes, sandals, things like that, but lots of room. There's a laptop, iPad compartment right here. Nice straps, webbing, so it's breathable. Then you have back straps, waist straps here that tuck under. And then the nice thing is all the zippers lock in. So if you push them up and then you pull the strap through, you can't basically just accidentally have it come loose or have someone break into your bag as you're walking. I've thrown extra things like this webbing mesh laundry bag up here. And then we have the Cotopaxi Rainfly here, a inflatable neck pillow as well for traveling. This is basically my go-to all the time, and I don't use another bag. I just carry this one bag with me always.